Here is a challenge question based on logarithms. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments and suggestions. The question comes from one of our subscribers. Let y equals to log to the base 3 of z, where z is a function of x. The figure shows straight line L, which represents the graph of y against x. Estimate the value of x when z equals to 9. The line L has slope 2 and passes through the point 1 log to the base 3 of 5, 9. Express relation z in terms of x. The graph is given to you. You can pause the video, answer the question. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In case you want to excel and learn from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students join the best university and get scholarships also. I hope this video will give you a glimpse of what they understand from us. Here is a challenge question based on logarithms, which we have seen for IBHL students. We'll find the solution of this problem in very simple, understandable steps. So we are given that y is equals to log to the base 3 of z, where z is a function of x. The figure shows a straight line L, which is right there, which represents the graph of y against x. So this is y and that is x. Part A is estimate the value of x when z equals to 9. So that is not difficult. Let's just plug in and get the value. So we are given that y is equal to log to the base 3 of z. And we are given that z equals to 9. And we have to find what is the value of x. Slightly tricky, since the equation involves y equals to log to the base 3 of z. So you can definitely write z as 9. So we get log 3 of 9, which you know is 2. So we get the value of y as 2. Now, how do I find the value of x? That is the tricky part, right? Okay, but at least we know what is y. So we know y is 2. So this is the y value of 2, right? To get the value of x, check the graph. You know the line L is given to you. So if you go along this line and then go down this, you will get estimated value. Correct? And you can estimate this to, let's say, 2.3. So we can say from graph, when x is equals to 2.3, right? When y is equal to 2. Makes sense? As shown here. So that is the answer for part A. I hope that is absolutely clear, right? Great. So it also helps you to understand composition of functions and how do we read the graphs correctly. Great. Now let's go to the part B of this particular problem, which is the line L has slope of 2 and passes through a point 1 log to the base 3, 5 over 9. Express the relation z in terms of x. Okay. So we could use the equation of line, which is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Correct. Now in this equation, we are given the value of m, which is equal to 2, right? And we are given x1, which is 1. We are also given y1, which is log 3 of 5 over 9. Okay? So we are given all these values which we can place and relate y with x. But we want to express z in terms of x. That means we are going to use the relation that y is equals to log to the base 3 of z, right? So let me write here. So we have y equals to log to the base 3 of z. Once you substitute these values, you will get your answer. I'd like you to pause the video at this stage, get the answer, and then check with my solution. That will help you, right? Okay, so let's get to the solution now. So as I said, the equation will be y minus y1, where y is log to the base 3 of z minus y1, which is log to the base 3 of 5 by 9, equals to m, slope, which is 2, x minus x1, which is 1. Correct. Substituting all this, you will get this equation. We need to relate z in terms of x. So we can isolate this z here. Well, 3 is common. Applying the properties, we can write this as log 3 z divided by 5 over 9, right? Which is equal to 2 times x, 2x minus 2. Correct. So that gives you, now we can write this in exponential form, right? So in exponential form, it will be what? We can flip this 9z over 5 equals to 3 to the power of 2x minus 2. And therefore, z is equal to 5 over 9. Now, 3 to the power of 2x means 9, right? So that is 9 to the power of x. Minus 2 means divide by, right? This is minus 2, right? Means times 3 to the power of minus 2, which is 1 over 9. Correct. So that gives you 9 times 9 as 81. So you get 5 over 81 times 9 to the power of x. Times 9 to the power of x. Is that clear to you? Correct. So we got a relation between z to x, which is required. Correct. So that is our answer. So z equals to 5 by 81 times 9 to the power of x. Is that clear to you? So I hope you have understood the method of solving such problems. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. In case you want to learn from me, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your time and all the best.